Let's fix your skin barrier in this video right now with my easy and affordable skin barrier reset routine. I'm going to be doing it with you in this video. Fresh face, no makeup. I'm going to say give it 3 days with this routine and you will notice a significantly improved skin barrier. You'll be less red, less irritated, and have less flaky skin. The good news is you do not have to take notes on this whole routine and all the steps because I did it for you. Yes, I got my act together for this week and I made a PDF. It has the whole step-by-step morning routine, nighttime routine, a few tips, links to these products, all in a nice little PDF. I linked it in the description below. It's free. Grab it there so you can just sit back and enjoy the video and don't feel like you have to scramble and write all this down. If you're new here, I'm Dr. Maren Locke, the budget dermatologist. I teach you how to fix your skin without breaking the bank. If you love skincare education, real product reviews, real skin, we love all natural beauty here. Hit subscribe and come say hi on Instagram and TikTok at the budget dermatologist. Now here's the deal with this routine. This is my custom created routine from products that I have used for years that I know work very well. I handcrafted, carefully picked each product based on their ingredients, how they synergistically work together, and everything has the purpose of fixing and maintaining a very strong skin barrier. That is key. And also, I have the added benefit here of using a lot of these products or recommending many of these products to my patients for many years now in my clinic as a practicing dermatologist. So I've been able to see firsthand the benefits that these products have, to see which ones work, which ones don't. So everything here, it's tried and true, and they all are selected for a very particular reason to fit together. That is the whole process behind this routine I made. Again, don't take notes, grab my PDF in the description. Let's get into it. Every product I mentioned will be linked below. Again, this is all my opinion, not sponsored. Let's get into the routine. First, let's talk about some must-have ingredients that are in my carefully selected products. These ingredients are going to be what are doing the heavy lifting to repair and strengthen our skin barrier. First, we are focusing on humectants, okay? So if you have an impaired skin barrier, it's leaky and it's losing water. It's why it's dry and flaky, one of the reasons. So we are going to focus on humectants to pull water in and restore our hydration. Then we're focusing on emollients to seal in this water that we bring into our skin. Next, we are focusing on the skin barrier building blocks to rebuild a stronger barrier, such as ceramides. And we also want to leverage skincare actives like niacinamide to strengthen and repair our skin barrier. And additionally, we will be rotating in things like topical hydrating acids and a nice repair balm to reset the skin. And don't forget the lips. I will mention how to repair the lip barrier as well. Now, if that seems overwhelming, take a step back. It is truly not overwhelming. I'm going to show you how to incorporate all of those ingredients in an easy step-by-step routine, simple, affordable products. Again, everything is going to be linked in the PDF altogether, and all products are linked below. So let's start out with your morning routine. Step 1, a cleanser. We are going with the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. This is the creamy cleanser because here's the deal. When you're choosing a cleanser for your skin barrier reset routine, you are going to want to choose a creamy cleanser instead of a foaming cleanser because in general, foaming cleansers can be more stripping of oils from the skin. We don't want that in the skin barrier routine. So we're grabbing a creamy cleanser. This is one of my top favorites on a budget. So why did I choose CeraVe Creamy Cleanser? That's a lot. Because this one has ceramides in it and it has hyaluronic acid, again, pulling water into the skin. The ceramides helping to plug those leaky holes in the skin barrier and strengthening it. And this one is fragrance-free, very simple and clean formulation. So it is a workhorse cleanser in a skin barrier reset routine. So step 1, use your cleanser. And check it out. You can see creamy. It's not foaming much, but it does a really good job cleansing the skin and getting all of the dirt and oil off in a gentle manner. But I'm going to show you an optional step you can add before this cleanser if you have on heavy makeup or sunscreen, which I do not because it's the morning time and I have a fresh face right now. But let me wash this off. I'll show you the optional step you can put in before this, again, to protect your skin barrier while you are cleansing. So cleanser is removed, quick drying of my face with this clean Skin Club towel. This is bamboo material. It is super soft, This is a very important tip I'm going to share with you for this skin barrier reset routine. Being very cautious about what towels you are using to wipe the skin clean, to dry the skin, because if you are using an abrasive or rough washcloth, it's not good for your skin barrier. This is so soft and it is very, very absorbent. These are my top recommendation for skincare towels. So this is what I use. I will link these below. Now here is your optional step. This is what I do at night. If I'm removing heavy makeup or any waterproof products, you're going to double cleanse. First, Day Dissolve Cleansing Balm is one of my top recommendations for a double cleanser. Very affordable. This is the jumbo size because I really use this a lot. So what you'll do is you'll just grab a little bit of this and massage it into any eye makeup areas, quick layer on the skin, rinse that off. Then you'll go in with your water-based creamy cleanser, and that is your cleansing step. All right, step 2 for our morning routine, we are focusing on our skin barrier repair treatment product. Here we are focusing on hydration and strengthening the skin barrier with our actives. Remember humectants, I mentioned there are 2 types of humectants that I love and recommend in some of these treatment products. One, hyaluronic acid. That is going to give you a deeper hydration in the deeper layers of your skin. And 2, glycerin. That is going to give you more hydration on the superficial layers of your skin. So if you have both hyaluronic acid and glycerin together, you are getting a complete hydration from superficial to deep layers of your skin. And speaking of skincare actives, let's put niacinamide in the mix here, okay? Niacinamide should be in this conversation because it is such a key ingredient to fix, restore, strengthen the skin barrier. It actually has so many functions. It's like a workhorse skincare ingredient. I have it in many routines across the spectrum. I say to aim for at least 5% niacinamide in your skincare routine to get its benefits. So the perfect product for this is Aven Hyaluron Active B3. This is a concentrated plumping serum. This one contains hyaluronic acid at multiple molecular weights, so it gets good penetration. It also has glycerin. We're getting our superficial hydration as well. And this has 6% niacinamide, which is a great dose for the skin barrier without risking irritation, because if you're getting up into 10 or 20% niacinamide on a weakened skin barrier, it's probably not going to end well for you. So let's sit right around the 5 to 6%, which is in this product. Now, this is one of my absolute favorite skincare products that launched in 2023. So last year, it is a game changer in my routine. I love the way this feels on the skin. It is so lightweight and so hydrating, and it is so easy to wear under other skincare products in your routine or even makeup without pilling. And the amount of hydration that this product has brought back to my skin has been incredible. I used to use very often in my routine Vichy Mineral 89, which I still love, but this one to me, personally for my skin, is even more hydrating than that one. And it has the 6% niacinamide in it. So I consider this a combination serum, hyaluronic acid based serum and a niacinamide based serum. And it's honestly a very affordable price overall, especially because I usually only buy this or anything from Aven when it's 25% off or more. So this is key. It's actually been sold out recently, but I'm coming to the end here of my bottle. But this is going to be your step 2, thin layer right on, and it feels, look at that. It feels so good. So now we're at step 3. Let's get serious about our moisturizer here, okay? If you are doing a skin barrier reset routine, you need a very effective, high quality moisturizer. Notice I said high quality, not expensive. You can definitely get one for a good price. I'm going to show you one. So this is going to be real important because we just put all this goodness on our skin, and now let's really seal it in and repair our barrier throughout the day. So my current favorite right now is by the Inky List, their Bioactive Ceramide Repairing and Plumping Moisturizer. This was actually my January product of the month pick. I put a video up, a deep dive on this. If you want to check it out, I will link that video below. But I have absolutely loved using this product on my skin this past month because it has done such a good job nourishing my skin. But I've actually been able to use this and incorporate this into my morning routine because it is very nourishing, but still lightweight. So let me explain how that works. This is bioactive ceramides in it, okay? So first of all, you need just a little blueberry-sized amount for the entire face. Do not overdo it. I made that mistake when I first started using this. You just need a little bit. So what are bioactive ceramides? They are smaller length, smaller molecular weight, smaller chains, basically, so that they can absorb deeper into the layers of your skin for a more complete skin barrier repair. This also has glycerin in it, which I have explained to you, helps pull in hydration, and nice emollients, shea butter, which are going to give that nice seal of hydration in your skin. It also is going to blur your fine lines and wrinkles because of a cross polymer that is in this. It does a really, really great job. And what I love about this is it really does a unique job in that it absorbs deeply, but still is lightweight on the skin, because a lot of skin barrier creams you may know or have tried are so heavy and almost balmy, like where they sit on top of the skin and you can literally just wipe it off. It never absorbs. Those can be helpful at really sealing and hydration, but definitely more user-friendly at night. And if you're trying to repair your skin barrier during the day, go for something more lightweight, yet still nourishing, like this one. So I'll link this below. Now we are on to step 4, our SPF or sunscreen step. We are going for a option here that is hydrating. Very simple. We're going fragrance-free, creamy, not matte. We really want something that is going to complement the products we just put on. So we are looking for something hydrating, gentle, lightweight. I recommend mineral instead of chemical for our skin barrier reset routines, because mineral sunscreens are generally tolerated better on sensitive skin people. But my recommendation is to choose whatever sunscreen you love, that you feel like agrees with your skin, because that is the one that you probably are more likely going to wear, and that's important. So for this routine, my personal pick is CeraVe, the Hydrating Mineral Sunscreen, SPF 30 in the tinted version. Now, this also comes in a non-tinted version, so you can choose whatever makes sense for you. I really love this sunscreen option for this routine because this has ceramides in it. This has niacinamide in it, and the SPF in this one is zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. So a very good, well-balanced, well-formulated sunscreen that is going to complement our skin barrier reset routine just beautifully. One of my key reminders here for you is to make sure you use enough sunscreen to get the SPF on the label. So either put a couple layers on, or like I did, put a lot on to begin with. Let me finish blending this in, and we'll keep going with our routine. So that is it, a sheerly tinted mineral sunscreen that is perfect for a skin barrier reset routine. This is your step 4. If makeup is in your routine, then you will put it on your skin next. Although I will recommend, if you are actively trying to repair your skin barrier, try to have some makeup-free days if you can. That will really speed up this process. Now I'm going to show you exactly what to do at night. Of course, for me, this is daytime, but I'm going to show you what to do for your nighttime routine now. It is even easier than the morning routine. It just has 2 steps. So this is what you're going to do for an acutely or actively damaged or inflamed skin barrier where you have redness, stinging, or irritation, or even flaking of the skin. You are going to want to apply a barrier rescue product. So I recommend Aven Cyclopate Plus Restorative Protective Cream for this step here. This product is widely recommended by dermatologists for patients who have disrupted skin barriers, or even to be used post-procedure when you have really delicate skin. Maybe you just had laser treatment or some other superficial treatment done. This is often the product that is recommended to repair and rebuild your skin barrier without any irritation. So it is completely ideal for sensitive skin people. And I'm going to say that you can use this for just a few short days to really reset and repair your skin barrier. Now, this is the product. This is not a super fun, luxurious moisturizer to use. No, this is thick. It's a little pasty, but man, is this going to repair your skin barrier very quickly. If you get enough of this on the skin, it's going to look a little white and pasty, but that's okay because you're putting this on at night and you're going to bed and you're just letting it do its thing while you sleep. And then in the morning, you can rinse it off. So it is such a strong powerhouse product. Now, this product, because it is so well formulated, great for sensitive skin, you can use this on the whole family, infants, kids, adults, whatever. And it's one that I recommend you always keep on hand for kind of just healing minor issues and for skin barrier reset routines. So how easy was that? Just 2 steps. Step 1, cleanse. Step 2, your barrier repair product. Now this cycle fade also comes in a version for the lips. Do not forget about your lips for your skin barrier reset routines. I use this product year round, especially in the winter, because it does such a good job repairing dry, cracked skin. So a little layer of this each night can go such a long way. I'm going to link this below too. So with just 2 steps, you are going to start to get healing of your skin barrier. And then you can use this product or this 2-step routine as often as you need. But I typically find that if you do it for just 1 to 3 days, you're going to have a much stronger and repaired skin barrier. Then you can switch to some of the other products, like I mentioned earlier, that are going to do a great job maintaining that barrier once you have it repaired. And in that scenario, you can even move to a nighttime routine, cleanse, serum from the morning, and a little layer of this, and that's it. Now let's talk about adding in hydrating skincare acids. Believe it or not, these can actually be a very crucial part of your skin barrier and skin health routine. So let's talk about hydrating skincare acids that are going to repair and strengthen your skin barrier. This is a great step if you have an aging skin barrier, because here's the deal. As we age, our skin cell turnover slows down and we get buildup of dead skin cells on the surface of our skin. And that is going to lead to not only a damaged skin barrier, but it's also going to prevent good absorption of your products, and it's going to make your skin or your complexion look dull. So you are going to rotate in a hydrating acid 1 to 2 times a week at most, depending on your skin condition. So here for this step, I love glycolic acid. It not only does a good job at loosening that dead skin cell layer, but it also makes your skin softer, and it can be very hydrating to the skin, actually, believe it or not, and it contributes to building new collagen. So this is a great budget pick for a glycolic acid once a week in your routine. I just take a little bit of this, put it on a cotton round, and then a quick swipe over the entire skin surface very gently. Now, if you remember from my morning routine, I also use these Clean Skin Club towels. So this is a perfect example of a perfect solution here. Just add a little bit to this. And then again, quick swipe over your face. I cannot stress enough to be gentle with the actual application of this. You're not scrubbing. You're not using this as like a buff pad to scrub that skin layer off. You're going to let the acid do its job and just very gently, a gentle swipe over the skin. So once a week, cleanse, your glycolic acid toner, and a good layer of moisturizer. 3 steps once a week to switch up your routine and to be able to rotate safely gentle hydrating acids into your skin barrier reset routine. So we made it to the end of our routine. Very simple routine to follow. And I'm telling you, in just about 3 days, you really should have a much more invigorated, strong, repaired skin barrier. I have all of these steps in my PDF for free. Just grab it at the link below. And that's going to help you keep your skincare routine organized and make sure you are doing it correctly. Again, this is just a routine that I made based off of my own experience treating many patients with damaged skin barrier. But again, skincare is complicated, it's complex, it is unique to you. So it oftentimes takes a little of trial and error with different products, different steps. So let me know what questions you have about rebuilding your skin barrier. And lastly, I will tell you that I recommend this routine for several weeks until you have a really strong and soft skin barrier. Then you can shift to other treatment actives to target your specific skin concerns as you desire. But you can always come back to this routine if your skin needs a break or a reset. So that's it. Make sure you are subscribed to see my future custom skincare routines that I build, more skincare education and product reviews. And don't forget, come find me on Instagram and TikTok at The Budget Dermatologist. I'll see you guys soon.